I'm doing a review on the Zivanya Precision vacuum sealer. This vacuum sealer has 3 different settings. It has a vacuum and seal, a seal, and a pulse vacuum. The product, when you do get it, comes with 10 bags in the box with the machine itself. When you do seal things, make sure that you hear the latch sound. I'm going to take it off and I'm going to relatch it for us so we can hear the noise, because that ensures that it will seal correctly and all the way. I am going to press the button and you'll see how fast the sealing does work. And when it is through, we will see a nice seal line, and that ensures that there will be no freezer burn when you are saving your food or when you buy in bulk. And it's already done. We're going to press these buttons to open it up, and then we're going to pull this out, and we're going to see that nice seal line on there all the way through. All in all, I think this is a great addition to any kitchen, and that's why I suggest it.